Hi everyone, Cooking with Lori here. So for our CEP 810 course, we were given the task of asking someone to get 3 cooking utensils for us. It had to be a bowl. My son helped me pick out a bowl. It had to have a plate, any size, and then a cooking utensil. And he picked out this rubbery spatula type spoon. And then I had my husband pick out of 4 different scenarios, and my scenario that we will be cooking is cutting veggies. So my task is to cut my veggies that I have here, and I have to use this utensil that my son picked out and create a veggie plate. Okay, so I'm going to try. Thankfully, broccoli is kind of easy to pull apart, but I want to try using this end here. Maybe try cutting it. Oh, it fell apart. So we were given this task to see how we could succeed with the tools that we were given. And the subject for this week is TPACK. So you're teaching with technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. And so we as educators want to make sure that our students have the best educational outcome. And so we want to combine our content, our technology, and our pedagogy perfectly so that our tools are giving our students the best education. So while this tool is definitely not intended to cut vegetables, I am able to maybe cut them. I'll use my bowl. Whew, that was noisy. So I'm able to cut my vegetables, but it's definitely not the easiest. If I had a sharp knife, it definitely would be a whole lot easier. I'm not gonna get through this tomato, but that's okay. We don't try slicing it with the bowl again. So anyways, make sure when you're creating and designing your courses that you are remembering to use the TPACK and design the best course and education plan that you can for your students. Thanks.